the event just let out, and we just exited Steve Jobs Theater, and now we get to get hands-on with the devices, and I am waiting very patiently for the pink one. It's a perfect pink color. So exciting.
So I got hands-on with the brand new iPhone 16s, and here's what you need to know. First up, we've got the regular iPhone 16 models, and Apple totally nailed this color lineup this year, and I'm not just saying that because of this perfect pink color. They've also got ultramarine, teal, white, and black. They've now added a new action button taken from the iPhone 15 Pros and a camera control button, which is also featured on the new Pro model lineup. There's two size versions, a 6.1 and a 6.7 inch for the 16 Plus. Battery life also varies between the two, with the smaller 16 getting up to 22 hours of video playback and the 16 Plus up to 27 hours. It's got an all-new A18 chip, making it 30% faster than the iPhone 15 while also using 30% less power. With its upgraded performance, that also means upgraded camera system. It's got a 48 megapixel camera and a 2x telephoto lens, giving us 4 total lenses to choose from: macro, 0.5, 1x, and 2x. The ultra-wide got even better, allowing you to capture 2.6 times more light. As for video, you can shoot 4K video at 60 frames a second, and in iOS 18, you have the ability to pause recordings without starting a new clip. With the new MagSafe charger paired with a 30-watt power adapter, it'll charge up to 25 watts, giving a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Starting price for iPhone 16 is $799 and iPhone 16 Plus at $899, both with 128 gigs of storage. Now onto these beautiful brand new Pros. They come in two sizes, a 6.3 for the Pro and a 6.9 inch for the Pro Max. The screens look better than ever, now with less bezels. These are powered by the A18 Pro chip, which supports ProMotion display, new camera upgrades with a 48 megapixel fusion camera that can read data twice as fast with the new quad pixel sensor. It's got a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5x zoom with a 12 megapixel tetraprism design. This is also super cool. We can shoot cinematic slow-mo 4K 120 frames a second in ProRes log. You can edit these speeds directly inside of the camera app, so you don't need to use a third-party app just to change the frame rates. The camera control button is way cooler than I thought it was going to be. With this now on all of the models of the new phones, you're able to launch the camera instantly just by clicking it, take a photo with another click, or hold it down to start recording a video. It's super responsive thanks to the tactile haptic feedback. This is also something new. It has this new audio mix feature, and I got a demo of this, and I cannot tell you how shocked I was because it worked so well. This gives you so much flexibility when recording because it uses advanced intelligence and spatial audio capture to let you adjust the way voices sound in your videos. It's so hard to even explain without actually letting you hear it. I can't wait to show this to you. Now, as for the battery, the 16 Pro Max has 33 hours of video playback, while the iPhone 16 Pro has up to 27 hours. There was also some questions about the camera capture button and how that's going to work with cases. I assume in the beginning, most third-party cases are probably just going to leave it open so you'll have access to it. But right now, Apple has some cases that have a special conductive layer that will let you activate the button normally. So the real question is, what do you guys think of the new iPhone 16? Let me know in the comments and what else you'd like to see me test out.
iJustine. Have you met iJustine?
Of course.
Hello, how are you? So good to see you.
I didn't know you were back.
Of course. And oh my god, so nice to meet you as well.
Great to meet you.
I'm shook. Oh my god, hi. Wow, this is
Let's get a photo
wild.
of the four of you.
Yes, that'd be amazing.